Now let us see some properties of magnet, that is magnetism. When a magnet attracts an object, that object is displaced due to magnetic force. In places like factories, ports, garbage depot, large objects are shifted from place to place. Yes, for this purpose, cranes with magnet are used. Everyone know the crane. So in that also magnets were used. Work is done by magnetic force, and this shows that magnetism is a kind of energy. So here we use the magnetic force. So it is also one kind of energy. Now let's see the characteristics. See, as in the previous video we have seen, if we tie one magnet and we can rotate it, so at which direction it gets settled? The magnet always settle in the north south direction. Yes, so from that magnet we can detect the direction also. From that magnet we can find out the direction also, as it settles in a north south direction. Every magnet have the two poles. Yes, that is north pole and south pole. So north pole is indicated by the letter N, and for south pole used by S. Okay, so in clip also we have seen. So the magnetic force or iron fillings, if we keep the iron fillings and if we rotate the magnet, what happen? Whatever maybe the iron fillings are there, it get concentrated or it get attracted at the end of the pole more with a high concentration. Means magnetic force is concentrated at the two end or poles of the magnet. Means their property or their characteristics is more in the at the pole of magnet. At the pole they have the magnetic power higher. Okay. Now see the third property. See what it is. If we take one magnet and if we divide into two parts, then we get the two separate magnet. Yes, then we get the two separate magnet. Though we cut the magnet, but for that separate magnet also again have the two poles, that is north pole and south pole. Again if we cut it again in a half parts, again we get the two separate magnet which have the again two poles. From that what we conclude that the two poles of a magnet cannot be separated from each other. The two poles of magnet cannot be separated from each other, though we cut it into smaller and smaller pieces. Though the magnet we cut into smaller and smaller pieces, we cannot separate the poles of magnet. Though very small piece of magnet are there, it have the two poles only, that is south pole and north pole. Okay. Now see the next property. For that here we have to do the one activity. See, we have to fix one powerful bar magnet to a stand as shown in the figure, and again one iron bar we have to take, and that iron bar also we have to fix but with a short distance below the magnet. Now take iron fillings near the iron bar. What do you see? After some time take a magnet away, what happens now? See, as we keep the iron fillings near the iron bar, we observe that iron fillings now get stick to iron bar. Okay, we observe that iron fillings get stick to iron bar, and as we separate the iron bar from magnet, the iron fillings will fall off. That iron filling will fall off. So why it happens? See, iron fillings stick to iron bar when the magnet is near it. Yes, when the magnet is near to iron bar, iron fillings stick to iron bar. And as we remove the magnet from iron bar, that iron fillings fall off. Means what we indicate from that, as the magnetic material come in contact with iron bar, that magnetic property from the magnet is transferred to iron bar. Now that iron bar is behave as a magnet. But when the magnet is in contact with iron bar, as we remove from iron bar, that magnet we remove from iron bar, their magnetic property get vanished. And that is called the induced magnetism. This magnetism is called the induced. It is temporary. It is not permanent. It is a temporary. Understood everyone? You can try this at a home also. Now let us see what is the fifth property. So for that we have to take a 2-bar magnet and hang it. Okay. Now if we keep the same pole or north pole of a bar magnet is close to each other, what we have to happen, that we have to observe. And then next we have to do the opposite poles, that is north and south pole we have to keep close. Then what happened, that we have to observe. In previous clip already we have seen, when the like poles are close to each other, it have the repulsion. There is a repulsion between like poles of a magnet, while there is a attraction between opposite poles. When opposite poles are close to each other, they get stick to each other, and when the like poles will come to each other, they repel from each other. So that is the very important property of a magnet, that is repulsion and attraction. Repulsion is when the like poles are close to each other, and attraction is when the opposite poles are close to each other. Okay, now see the next property. For that we have to take a needle or nail, then place it steady on a table. Okay, keep on rubbing a magnet over it. Means we have to take one magnet and we have to rub that magnet on that needle or nail for more times, for 7 to 8 or more than that also. Now take a few pins near the needle or nail. What is seen, as we keep that needle or nail near to pins, now we observe that pins get stick to that needle. Now that pins get stick to that needle. So why this happen, as we rub the magnet on that nail for so many times, that magnetic property now transfer in that needle. Now that magnetic property transfer in that needle, so that needle now behave as a magnet. Now that needle behave as a magnet, and so the pins get attracted to that needle. So that is called the magnetism. So that magnetic objects acquire now magnetism, but this magnetism is a kind of temporary, it is not permanent. So it is last for short while only, means they have the capacity only for short time only. Okay, that magnetism they have only for short period of time. Understood everyone? I think everyone have understood these parts of magnet, that is magnet, their discovery, then their types and their properties. Okay, now their uses and how it can be used for many applications, how it apply, that all parts we are going to see in a next video. I think everyone have understood up to that. So everyone complete your CW, write the new words. Okay, thank you.